Hello guys, this is my project, Chicago suburban house. Painting is almost done. We have the small touch-ups. Very last one, it's almost done. And this project on my company was mostly painting, but during our painting, here was the other contractor who did very bad job, very poor quality job, a lot of mistakes, wrongly installed cabinets, and we will try to save it and fix it and do this what is possible. What went wrong? You see the gazillion of the blue tapes, most of them I took down because it's unnecessary here. First mistake, the contractor who was here, he has no experience. He was knowing something, but first mistake, tiles, subway tiles and wooden window, it shouldn't be installed that way because sooner or later this tile is gonna pop out, the grout gonna start cracking and popping out. It's gonna be always problem. What's happened here, you see that little L right here, different L, it's not even, not symmetrical, wrongly installed. He shouldn't install these tiles on the wooden frame of the window. We're gonna take down entire backsplash because it's wrongly installed. I'm gonna show you a couple more details what's happened here, why this is wrongly made. So first thing, we're gonna take this down. We're gonna install wood casing around. Window gonna be painted white like the bay windows there and door, and we're gonna take down entire backsplash. This is example of the very poor quality of the work. First, this is not symmetrical, different, poor quality. The space between tiles are not even, like you can see, this is very tight, this is big. You see that? It cannot be filled by the grout. This gap here is too big. And going over right here, it's not even something like this. The corner is terrible. It cannot be like that. It's wrongly made from the beginning. The tiles are not even. This is the pure example how to not install this type of the tiles on the customer's wall. And something like this here, it's not acceptable. It cannot be. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna bring here my tile installer and we're gonna redone everything from the beginning. Here is another mistake. The person who is installed this kitchen, he doesn't pay too much on the attentions. Countertop is not supported. This whole panel is moving, it's not secured. I know it can be attached to the dishwasher. It's not attached, it's not done, and it's not supported. The countertop from this point to here is not supported. If we're gonna put here something heavy, something what's gonna make the mechanical force pushing down the countertop, we can expect the big crack and big damage. The other mistake what he did, garbage disposal. I reattached this because when I came here, the hose from the garbage disposal was very low. Cannot be. When you're using the water, when the garbage disposal is full of the water, when you're gonna turn this on, it works like the little pump and it's pumping all dirt water into the dishwasher, and you have the flood on the brand new hardwood floor and we will have huge damage. So it's wrongly made. I'm gonna fix it in the next few days. I'm not gonna say any comment about the plumbing. This is example how it shouldn't be made. Oh, another thing, another mistake. Steel drywall screw touching the copper. Not acceptable. It cannot be like that. It cannot be like that because it's gonna make the problems on the coppers in the next few years. It can cause the even leaks. This is what you have. And another mistake made by the other contractor, I don't know why, I'm not gonna investigate this, but he installed the wrong hinges on the diagonal cabinet door panel, and these hinges, this is the regular hinges, like you see here, they're not gonna open all the way. It's supposed to be different hinges, open that way. Same mistake here, and he has no clue what's going on because he wasn't able to open all the way door panel. Tomorrow in the morning I will go to the cabinet supplier, to the company, and they're gonna replace for me the hinges for the proper ones. So tomorrow this part gonna be fixed, and I'm gonna start taking down these ugly installed tiles. Another mistake, what is wrongly made, crown molding. This is example how not supposed to be installed, and he was trying to fix something here by paint, by mats, sanding, painting, and doing the crazy things, but this is not like supposed to be. Here's the example. What's gonna happen if you're gonna hire low priced contractor without the real online reviews, without the experience? And here we are. This is what's happened when low price is a main factor on the project. And other issue, probably not fixable, probably is gonna stay as it is. The door handles, when he was drilling the holes, it's not even. That one is higher, that one is lower, about approximately almost 1/8 of the inch. Same thing here. This is what's happened when you hire low priced contractor, someone who gonna tell you, I can do this for less. The door panels, the gaps are not even, but we can adjust this. We are not able to do anything with the wrongly installed handles. Probably it's gonna stay as it is, or we're gonna replace the panels on the customer cost, and we're gonna drill the new holes, and we're gonna install this even. I'm gonna talk about my customer this week, and we will see if he's gonna decide to spend more money on the all new panels, including drawers. Drawers are not straight too. You can see the handles is not installed properly, not straight, not symmetrical. It's very sad, it's very painful to see something like this on the brand new kitchen, on the freshly remodeled and painted house. It is what it is, so we will try to fix that and make the customer happy and help him to go with this issue. Depends on the budget and how much customer gonna be able to spend on these repairs on this devastated kitchen. Person who was installed this has no experience to do this by himself, totally independent. Before he started his own business, he was working a few years as a helper for other contractor. He seen something, he taught something in the past, but he have no experience to do most things on his own by himself. Wrongly made kitchen. All right, thank you.